Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring creative ideas to make the most of small living room and dining room combos. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or a compact house, we've got tips and tricks to help you maximize your space without sacrificing style. First up, consider multifunctional furniture. Pieces like this convertible sofa can transform into a bed, offering extra sleeping space for guests without taking up additional room. Next, look for dual-purpose tables. This dining table can easily switch from a dining area to a home office. Perfect for those working from home or for kids' homework sessions. Smart storage is key. Utilize vertical space with tall bookshelves and floating shelves. They keep the floor area clear while providing ample storage for books, decor, and other essentials. Consider foldable or expandable furniture. A folding dining table like this one can be tucked away when not in use, freeing up valuable floor space for other activities. Create cozy corners. Even in small spaces, you can carve out a reading nook or a relaxing spot with a comfy chair and a side table. Use light colors and mirrors to make the space feel larger. Light walls, furniture, and strategically placed mirrors can reflect light and create an illusion of a bigger room. Remember, small spaces don't have to be limiting. With thoughtful planning and smart design choices, you can create a functional and stylish living and dining area that feels spacious and inviting. In the modern era of urban living, many people find themselves inhabiting smaller spaces where the living room and dining room must coexist harmoniously. Creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing environment in these combined spaces can be a challenge, but with thoughtful design choices, it is possible to maximize every square foot effectively. This essay explores the strategies to optimize small living room and dining room combos, ensuring they remain both practical and stylish. The power of multifunctional furniture. One of the most effective ways to utilize limited space is through multifunctional furniture. These pieces are designed to serve more than one purpose, thereby reducing the number of items needed in a room. For instance, a convertible sofa can function as both seating and an extra bed for guests. This not only saves space, but also adds versatility to the room's functionality. Similarly, ottomans with storage compartments can provide additional seating while also offering a place to store blankets, magazines, or other items, keeping the area tidy and organized. Dual-purpose tables for flexibility. Tables that serve multiple purposes are invaluable in small living and dining combos. A dining table that doubles as a workspace is ideal for those who work from home or for children doing homework. These tables can be designed to easily transition from dining to working, often with features such as foldable sections or storage compartments for office supplies. This flexibility ensures that the space remains efficient and adaptable to different needs throughout the day. Optimizing vertical space. When floor space is at a premium, the vertical space often goes underutilized. Tall bookshelves and floating shelves can significantly increase storage capacity without encroaching on the living area. These shelves can be used to display books, decor, and personal items, adding character to the room while keeping the floor area clear. Utilizing vertical space helps to create an open, airy feel, which is crucial in small environments. Foldable and expandable furniture. Foldable and expandable furniture offers a practical solution for small spaces. Dining tables that can be folded away when not in use, or expanded to accommodate guests, provide great flexibility. This type of furniture allows the room to be easily transformed from a dining area to a living space, depending on the needs of the moment. Additionally, foldable chairs and tables can be stored out of sight when not in use, further freeing up valuable space. Creating cozy corners. Even in compact living arrangements, it is possible to create cozy, inviting corners. A well-placed armchair with a side table can establish a reading nook or a relaxing spot without overwhelming the space. Choosing furniture with a smaller footprint ensures that these areas remain comfortable and functional without contributing to a cluttered look. These corners can become focal points in the room, adding a sense of intimacy and warmth. Light colors and mirrors for an illusion of space. The use of light colors and mirrors can dramatically affect the perception of space in a small living and dining combo. Light-colored walls and furniture reflect more light, making the room feel brighter and more spacious. Mirrors strategically placed opposite windows or light sources can amplify this effect, creating an illusion of depth and openness. This technique is particularly effective in small spaces, where natural light might be limited. Space zoning and flow. Creating distinct zones within a small living and dining combo can help define the areas and improve the overall flow. Using rugs to delineate the living and dining spaces, or arranging furniture to create natural boundaries, helps establish a sense of order and separation. For instance, placing a sofa with its back to the dining area can create a clear divide without needing physical barriers. Open shelving or room dividers that do not reach the ceiling can also serve as subtle separators while maintaining an open feel. These solutions help organize the space, making it clear where one area ends and another begins. Emphasizing vertical lines and minimalism. Incorporating vertical lines and design elements, such as tall bookshelves, vertically striped wallpaper, or long curtains, can draw the eye upward, making the room feel taller and more spacious. This technique creates a sense of height and openness, counteracting the limitations of a small footprint. Adopting a minimalist approach to decor and furnishings can also make a significant difference. By focusing on a few key pieces and avoiding clutter, the space will appear more open and airy. Selecting furniture with clean lines and avoiding overly ornate designs helps maintain a sleek and contemporary look. The importance of personalization. Personalizing a small living and dining space is essential to making it feel like home. Incorporating personal touches through art, photographs, and meaningful decor items adds character and warmth to the environment. Displaying a curated selection of personal items, rather than overcrowding the space, helps maintain an organized and cohesive look. Custom furniture pieces designed specifically for the dimensions and layout of the room can also be a worthwhile investment. These pieces can fit perfectly into the space, maximizing functionality and comfort while reflecting personal style. Conclusion. Designing a small living room and dining room combo requires a balance of functionality and aesthetics. By incorporating multifunctional and dual-purpose furniture, optimizing vertical space, and using foldable pieces, it is possible to create a versatile and efficient living area. Cozy corners add personality and comfort, while light colors and mirrors enhance the sense of space. Through these thoughtful design choices, even the smallest of spaces can be transformed into a stylish and practical haven, proving that size does not limit the potential for beauty and functionality in interior design. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home design inspiration. See you next time.